She's a Farah and Ida. The Baptiste is knocking out through there. Okay, when he takes score. Oh, get scored! Christensen in this. Wrong road comes in. Shot, scores, forward run. In the hand read. That's some pot joggers. In more than the hair on our noise. That's fast that. And chanting Harold. Hauling Harold. Shot to shot. Lewis minimal Killester-92. Sunta's a control. Carcador. Dickenish Trasna. Score we go. Score Ceannais. Potter Watkins. Corborichin. Like Westbrook. Take the top of this. Count Shockerty, Tillman Reid, past that Trasna. Imra goes on Buaicphointí. Nisto. Horizon. Score. Sheridan. Brian Laura. So 3 points to Ceannais. He shot draw the up. Christensen. Westbrook. Darry Carver Morrison. Agus 8 points to Ceannais. He heard me. Yeah, no. Christensen. No, Buaicphointí Fáine. Garage. Shot. Falling in Harold. Shape went to Harold. Temple and Oil, Carcador. Westbrook's in this. Dasher Reese. Shimpy, Frederick Ashir, come on. Carol Michael left on Thogan. It's some gate Lahan Shaw Hosford or East. Past that Trasna. Hannigan is out way. Hannigan got 2-3. Hannigan. Point to 1 after. So the harvest special just on bait of the Demons don't contain. Oh, need a counter points up. That's cut him off. Little dad. Unable to defend. Robinson the gear is up for her to shoot. Rashford Dick. Take it toward Fweaves. The crook is in air. Arashai Gate took the ball. Tell her, Major Gura. Fast shooter Robinson. So the Garage staff. Scoring Robinson. Score. 3. Lahan and Jen, agus block onto after the third play. 3, let's go.
See Dash is now guarding him.
Now Christensen. Agus! Dunkelor! Demons come out. Nish!
3 again. So if one of those catches fire, either team catches fire from 3.9, it could be the difference because there is space.
Yeah, to the 3. 3 they would. The gamer. Posaka. Blake Murphy. Point to 1 after.
When you're off the pace, good bit for Killester. Johnny will trust him a little bit. I'm not quite sure. Normally you see Owen Kiernan come in for these minutes.
Robinson, agus Ceannais Demons come to the race. He thought it was a foul there, not?
Yeah, he did, but Demons think we need to take advantage of this lineup here.
Robinson.
Yeah, Killester playing without Dash or Howell, who was sent check back into the next break. But Demons, massive three, massive three.
Oh, they gamer. Aaron Reese, agus Joshua top. Pascal Westbrooks. Joshua third way. Joshua got 2.
Quickly aggressive person. I think if he were to get a score, he'd get his confidence back a little bit.
Harold is in. Roger and Harlan Cousin. Come with the Mahas like a throw to Killester, Gamba Bader. It was Gasser is Buaicphointí, 3 punches speaker. Cannibal. Robinson the shape went to Eger, then a Yale. Loughlanta, Killester, Kellura. So Westbrook, we're talking Canada. Oh! They're being rotated all that, David Hamilton, Lord Bolobos, Loughlanta. What on, Nota! Killester, Kellura. Horn never say, what agus the Garrow Jurgensen, Samson Spietzen, Niebunches Bicke, Newer Demons of 3 down. Dave Munn Curran on top. Organization Curran brother Captain of Forda, Kieran Rowe. Kieran Rowe top Glockalis by Remelder. Shinavi Waha, Concain Satra, Curran Buaicphointí, Nish, Tasha Red and the Order will, Nibos,